to day 2 of our cruise. Today is a day at sea and the view is just perfect today. It's a little humid out, so it's a bit of a warm one, but you can't beat this view. It's just beautiful. The sea days are our favorite. We love just watching the ocean go by and sitting out on the veranda here. So this morning we have brunch at Palo, which is their adult dining, and brunch is our favorite. It's all you can eat and all of the food is always so good. We walk out, we're stuffed, and luckily today is just a day at sea, so we don't really have too much planned. So we're gonna be bums in our room for a while while we work off all the food we just ate. But it's so nice just having this as our view. I think there's a couple trivias that we want to do today, but I'll have to look at the itinerary. The Navigator app is going to have everything that is scheduled for the day, all of the events that are going on around the ship. Later is Jack's diaper dash, which is hilarious. All of the babies that can't walk yet all race along this mat on the floor in the atrium, and it's hysterical. It's probably one of our favorite things to go watch. But tonight is Pirate Night, and I'm very excited for that. Pirate Night is my favorite night. It's basically a night dedicated to everything pirate, and we also do fireworks off the ship. I'm super excited for Pirate Night. I'm excited to see the fireworks off the side of the ship and the pirate deck party that they have, so I'll show you everything that we get up to. But for now, I'm gonna go rest this food off because I ate way too much.
Dash when I am not alone, everybody. I want you to go wild and crazy for my co-host here today. It's Inez! All the way. Where are you from, Inez?
Hello, everybody. I'm all the way from Argentina.
Now, we have got some incredible competitors here today, don't we, Inez? Yes. And so we're going to tell you all about what we're doing here today. We have signed up some babies to race in our incredible race. They're going to be starting over here from our starting line, and hopefully we'll get them all to come across our finish line as they compete in several different heats of races. We will whittle it down until we can find one winner here today. The winner of our incredible diaper dash will be walking away with this Minnie Mouse medallion. Now what we're going to do is a countdown with everybody here. So everyone on decks 3, 4, and 5, we are going to count it down for you. But first, let's take those babies, raise them high in the air like Simba from the Lion King. Babies to your starting positions. And everyone count down with me from 3. 3, 2, 1.
tonight. I'm in my pirate outfit. I've got my bandana and I'm wearing this little white dress. I unfortunately did leave all of my pirate accessories at home, so I might go down to the shops and buy some more. But we are gonna go out and meet some characters in the atrium and head to dinner for a pirate themed menu. Oh, and I also have this cute little seashell bag with my pirate pins. So I guess I do have some pirate accessories, but not all of the ones that I usually like to wear, so I'm a little sad. We're doing something that we have never done before, and that's watch a movie in the Buena Vista Theater. And I'm so excited. We're gonna watch Lilo and Stitch. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm super excited to see it. Got our popcorn from deck 4. Movie time. We just got back from seeing Lilo and Stitch and it was so good! I just thought it was really realistic. I'm not gonna spoil anything on here, of course, but I honestly think it might be one of my favorite Disney remakes. Don't come at me if you don't feel the same way, but I really enjoyed it and it was really cute. I did cry just a little bit, but it's a little bit rocky right now, so I kind of felt a little bit of emotion during the movie, but for me, like, that feeling is soothing, so I don't mind it. But we've never watched a movie on a trip because we're usually go, go, go and try to do everything, but actually sitting down and being able to watch a movie knowing that I'm not missing anything because there's nothing on the itinerary that we wanted to do. It's really fun to do something new. So we are headed to dinner soon. It starts at 8:15. We have a pirate menu tonight and we are downstairs on deck 2 in Enchanted Garden. And I love the pirate menu, but I love the crab cakes on the pirate menu. So that is what I'm looking forward to most.
Away, away, away we go! Come ye daring young buccaneers, come and capture your treasure. Sail with us on the 7 seas and find your richest reward.
Live the dream and you'll find a world filled with gold beyond measure. Take farewell to your landlocked friends and maybe climb aboard.
Away, 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 come in the light, the light. We are away, 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 adventures wait for you. Come on, you big and buccaneers, come in the light, the pirates fight. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come in the light, we know.
If ever a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, all that crowd say, I Captain Trillion. Gives you an order or asks you a question, loud and proud say, I Captain. We go. Go we pirates do and I celebrate too. We must do. As I was saying, besides celebrating, we pirates also need to appear fierce.
We have acquired a pirate Stitch. Got our pina coladas in honor of Pirate Night. Cheers. Tonight's pirate dinner is at Enchanted Garden, and this is on deck 2 aft. This has to be one of our favorite menus the entire cruise. The servers and waitstaff all dress in their pirate vest and really get into the high sea spirit. And yes, you get greeted like this almost every single night. It's so much fun. Enchanted Garden is supposed to have a day-to-night garden theme, and throughout the night, the flower lamps on the ceiling blossom into full flowers. It even has the cutest fountain in the center featuring Mickey. But for Pirate Night, they keep the lighting in more of a red tone, and they don't have any shows that happen during your dining experience. The main show are the fireworks that go off on the top deck at the nighttime pirate party. We mostly end up sailing during the winter, so we never get to see out of these portholes in the restaurant because the sky is too dark outside. But this cruise, we got the coolest ocean view and our table was right next to a porthole. It really completed the pirate feel for the night. I ordered 2 crab cakes and a vegetarian falafel, but unfortunately, I was still so full from Palo brunch that I couldn't finish my food, and that made me so sad. Philip ordered Jack's Treasure of the Seas, and apparently I was too full to film his food, so I apologize, but I do not have a visual of that dish. But like I said, this is our favorite menu of the entire cruise. It has all of our favorite food, and we really look forward to this night every single cruise that we go on. Post fireworks gelato, I got pistachio, and this is my favorite flavor.
And thank you.
Came back to this guy on the bed. I think it's an octopus. I'm not sure, but his eyes are little gold coins for Pirate Night. As always, thank you so much for watching. It really does mean the world to me. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button down below, subscribe for more, and hit the notification bell to be notified when my next video is posted. For now, enjoy this little sneak peek of the next episode in my Disney Dream series, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.